intokazi ngilanda lezo namakwelekwele le
Makwelekwele out from Africa.
Limpopo. Intokazi bengisebenza kakhulu phela hayi fana bomukelela ukuthi suke sijoka siyadlala is nothing personal ngamakwelekwele man ngithukuthela futhi sikali ke ngamakwelekwele bafethu ezinto no why other tribes are so sensitive. Thina mawubiza ukuthi inzulo noma impatha ayifundile drive taxi yazi ukudubula yazi we don't get
wena awusenaye Hyman.
Can I just tell you something?
Ingawo lento uthi unali ibele elinganga
Hyman wazalwe naye.
I believe Hyman iyabuya.
Hyman.
When you're a virgin,
okay,
and you have sex, something breaks. I believe if you don't have sex for 6 years, that shit goes and happens again.
Listen. Did you know ukuthi kuma muscles omuntu wesifazane the strongest muscles are found at the vagina? Yes. Ayikho ama
elastic leyana. Le strong ngasho.
Kona nje ngengikari golena kari ubani usebenzisa umuthi manje ngani. Wonke umuntu uthi hayi ngisebenzisa angiphuza indiza mina. Hayi mina ngiphuza iphilisi ibuya kuphi colonial mentality. That's what we call colonial mentality ukuthi wena esumuntu omnyama
university against another university.
Wena esumuntu omnyama ne uskayithatha uskaba proud of who you are and even your roots where you come from. Hence manje mangangena kwisho ngiphuza umuthi ngizotrend abantu uyasebenzisa imithi le ntombazane iyaloya angiloyi. The very same pills asebenzisayo uya kuma head.
Khule ogogo bebekhula besithinta la ngaphansi kumaskotha. Yes, bethi babhema ugwayi wogogo akuthintela athi awuthingizwe
Yeah, so vumelana nesha.
That's a pedophile. What?
Yeah, so
akabule ngqongqongqo uzasena ejwabu lapho sizingane.
So lokho babhema ugwayi wogogo lokho bekwenzelani na?
Wait, she was blowjob or just touching?
Hayi,
blowjob ugogo. Ayi konakele kakhulu ngeke kwethu konakele yabona nje mangabubuka la sikhona sise Octavia Hotel, the Octavia Boutique Hotel is a 5-star hotel esenanda insizwa ke umfokanala wenza umsebenzi omkhulu kakhulu ke lapha ukuthi ke akhe ainvest kakhulu esobabhizinisi ainvest endaweni enomlando kakhulu mawuthi uyabuka mawungena kuleli hotel ufica isithombe sika ke baba ke ulanga libalele the first president of the first black movement in an African continent. Sinibingelela sinamukela ke ohlelweni lethu lapha phambili lapha ngempela ke kuyi podcast and chill network ke lapha I podcast chill network yabo so ke manje ke lo chill ngani noma lokunethezeka lokuhlala olwandle kuthiwe isichillile no baby ufonelelana engiphazamisa ngishiza chillile no baby noma uchile lo usho ukuthi kuyaba buhlelo
uchilo ukuthi si relaxed yabona sizihlalele sipholile akunama rules akulolu akunabo cut yabona dilotshe so.
But no chill law is not even limited because you can have chill kokuphola bese uchill kokubaba ngoba siyababa sichillile.
Into behle nje sithi iyababa le ntombazana.
Uyabona
so into enhle kahle angazi ngayichaza
podcast and chill
network ke
nation
ile ukuthi ke manje ke siyadonsa
and it's international ngoba phela mina yabo ngiphethe Ireland, Australia, people are watching.
Yes,
absolutely yes. And then ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ngimthathile nganiveza phesheya nibe ningasphesheya
Ngizothi ngicela check ama-visa. Ngicela check ama-visa. Angivele ngizwe ama-passports manje ukuthi
Ngani zakwethu sibonga kakhulu sikhona lapha siyalamukela ababukeli siyabonga kakhulu sinikeza ithuba lokuthi nisubscribe kamnandi kakhulu la ke ngicela amabhinqa nje amewodwa nje ngicela imiliyoni lawo nje ngiyacela nje ukuthi ni subscribe ke imiliyoni kwi network yethu ke lana kubalekela lokho phinde futhi ke thina ke sifuna sihambe phambili ngoba akukwazi ukuthi kungaqhamuka imgodoyile kuthiwa onotha yabona
and bayagijima
bebekuthiwe khona impungu nje egijima phambili inyamazana lefuna siyibambe siyedlule
Music Pals eyihleli
Music Pals.
Yithi abantu.
Kozolungisa abantu sobashaya ngikhumbula umntwana ophinda ngene ishaya leyo ngoma leyo
Khona insizwa kade ngibona imlingisela laphana
sobashaya awu madoda imbabazane amahaqa madoda emasendeni eke usungu loluyibona ubunu madoda eke ilale kahle imbabazane lapha kumntwana ophinda ngene sabonga kakhulu sanamukela eke angihambe ngento lapha ngihamba nentokazi lapha eke eyayithandana kakhulu nomfowethu ongasekho emhlabeni eke uShili M
uShili M bengisebenza naye kule station leyana singamapentshisi noShili M
kanti kusho ukuthini makuthiwa benithandana
asikaze sithandane
Besizwana.
besizwana njengabangani abasebenza njengoba ngizwana nawe
mina nawe ngoba sikanje siyathandana
siyazwana
uthando lunye bawuthanda
ngizopenda upendo wami please
kanti kusho ukuthini ukuthandana
manje usathe plan
kusho ukuthini ukuthandana
yabona ukukhumbuza ingoma ngabana ingoma lethi as long sakuphefumula mana cha uthi ogana kahle umuntu ogana wena ngane yakwethu ngoba ufika nje uyipackage nje experience
mina ngi-side chick nje uyazi
uthando
side chick mina ngizwani nokuba umem so ngisafe
say check phela nje
Ngaqala ukuzwa ke lena.
la intokazi ke manje ke le ntokazi ngilanda lezo namakwelekwele le
makwarekware kuphi out from
Limpopo
from
intokazi bengisebenza kakhulu
seyamawu
phela hayi funa bomukelela ukuthi suke sijoka siyadlala is nothing personal ngamakwelekwele man ngithukuthela futhi sekade ke ngamakwelekwele bafethu ezinto no why other tribes are so sensitive thina mawubiza ukuthi inzulu noma impatha ayifundile drive taxi yazi ukudubula yazi then we don't take offense yabona we don't take offense so people yabona abantu mabelokhu mhlambe into beyithrowa ku as an offense you need to accept it so that it can move on that's why kwaZulu thina sithi siyibonga yabona you insult me I take it and I sing my praises and uthathe wethu ngapha sisebenzana neminyaka maybe 15 years sebenza kweSABC1 kwi-Roots
yes
ubonke umuntu kaMahlayela uyena owangifundisa ukuthi kuthiwa kuyakurata kuthiwa buwaniti kuthiwa yiqiniso yabona ukuthi isihlukulu samatabele lidlala beselakala foloko
Kaneti ngizwe ere ke dumedishe baburi mo gae ke Matebogo wa ga Mahlela. You can't wait ke setlogolo sa Matebele makonkwana a hloka kgomo a ja motho ba re Madebele se magwa se tla le disigam foroko di morwetla we wa botibudi a tlo wa bo mavulaga to gena o bulela ntlo le swele a se mohlolo bo bua bo serita morwa Mahlaela
bazojabula kunini
manake cha ngifuna ukucacisa ke bafethu is not a propaganda ka MacG
Limpopo
no ubongo yisemkhulu yaphahla ngempela ke
wow that perfect
propaganda ya MacG lapha
okay
emkhosini
ngizwe ukuthi kuthiwa
laphana kunkosi babele bathi
cha no kumina lana umfoka Miyeza lona osuka le lapho khona intombi zikotiza ngenhlawulo
Awu, so madoda.
So yilapho engiphuma khona ngifuna ukuchaza ukuthi ngiphuma kodwa nje intombi kunele ngahlawulwa bese ziyokotiza kujwayelekile la engiphuma khona banomuntu omubi akugani umakoti kugana indoda indoda iyasuka ihambe iyohlala ekhweni noma kubo yentombi noma kwamawengane yondle khona nje kuphele futhi ingabe indaba zalo indlela nje okunomuntu omubi ngakhona la nedlisweni ukuthambisa abantu besifazane yilapho engiphuma khona ke kumfakameza ngila kwi-podcast and chill network we hope ukuthi abantu bazosupporta kade ngihlezi ngicela even ku-TikTok ukuthi bahambe bo-subscribe ithina abantu kumele ngabe siku-3 million
ngeke mana mfowethu mina angiceli-ke mina ngiyabadimanda
Njengenkosi emabhinqa
mina abekhi laba bantu futhi ngabanikezwa isilo angiceli kubalekile ukuthi nikwenze lokho nisubscribe ngoba la ifa gugu lesizwe ifa lengane zobaba mkhulu into esiyenzileke siyafundisa la ngesiko impilo sifundise ngempilo sikhuluma iqiniso njengoba enjalo ebaba njengoba kade ungekho nje wena uyojola last week ngaduse uze waqamba manga wathi uvinjwe uvimbeke eDubai namabhomu lapha nathi wathi imisa strike
Pinky amanganga
kanti uJohn
hawe mana si nizongixabanisa nemoto yami yazini bengingajoli nix ngoba bengicayikade ngithiwa uma ngishiye i-flight how
sure iflat after doing what
bekwenze njani
oh my word I was
delaying on a shower
I was squirting okay I'm joking
so nganza kwethu sifolelekile ukuthi nisigxeke nisikhumbuze nibuze imibuzo sikhulume kube mnandi sakhane siyisizwe ngoba inhloso okwakhe isizwe la asincengani uyangithanda awungithandi uyangisonta awungizondi uyangibuka awungibuki fusak ngitshela ukuthi mina la ngakho isizwe emawuthanda ukungibuka uyangibuka mawufuna ungafuna ngofusaka asisuncengana la asisuncengana mina ngeke ngihlala ngitshela ngisho mina ezami ingane ngizalayo into mfana mazwane enhlanhla buncenga lokusasa lakho ngeke mina uncengele mina ngodliwa ingane mina ngisoze kodliwa ingane I'm just building you as a future someone mina ngangizenzela sex mina wafela emhlabeni so manje ke isupport yake leyo mbewu leyo ukuthi ayikhuleke nayo ibe isihlalo manje usufuna nguncenga wena ungaphuza utshwala ungabhemi ukwayo
ungayenzi lutho
don't do that nonsense okwesibili wena dadewethu you are the part of us and one culture 12 official languages njengoba sekufakwe
sign language i-sign language
ifakwe isiquququ lesi kade ngeniswa ngalo uRamaphosa eParliament
Khoisan.
Oh, okay.
But ngoba sesiyaphela that's why because there's only one person remaining who's Khoisan.
Ndabeza uthi akunento ongasibreefa ngayo la mina ngifisa ukwazi i-theme behind ugqokise kwelinye i-artist I think la kaMaskandi not what I think umfazi omnyama la amadala ngaphambilini angazi what the theme behind indlela ogqoke ngayo namhlanje
namhlanje uStumo / okay you got this
representing ibhinqa
into ebalekile kakhulu la ukuthi emlandweni wakithi kwaZulu uzokhumbula ukuthi umfazi omnyama ngiyajabula ngibuza lo mbuzo ngoba uhlanganisa somehow kulinka nenyuvesi abantu abaningi banendaba yokuthi umfazi omnyama kwakusho ukuthi kwakuyisifundiso yabona khona la ibonga khona ethi ngiyakubonga Bhothoza Mfokanzimande ngokungikhipha le e-university ungeza lapha eGoli namhlanje nginezimoto nginemizi nginengane kanyiwe ebonga ngoba abantu bakithi kwaZulu abantu ababongayo banosiko impilo lokubonga we are the most appreciating nation we recognize and we respect yabona inkinga wena usho usinyathela ubhozo bese thina utholana nathi sishisa ngaleso sikhathi sikhulumela nawe phansi bese thina ke sinohlami asinalo udlami into eyenzeka la umfazi omnyama usebenze ezimayini sebenza ezimayini eziqhwaga sakonongoma hayi qhwaga lezi ezambezi eclub uqhwaga kumudoti namuntu fake yabona into eyenzeka la umfazi omnyama iqhwaga ngempela ndoba eshuqula iduku as much as bekuyi western lokhujana i-western style le yamanika oTupac yabona kodwa umfazi omnyama isizathu sokuthi ashuqule iduku ekhanda abe asigcine seba umfazi omnyama igama lakhe elomunsizwa akulone la kwabo
Singakubiza nawe namhlanje ngomfazi.
Mana-ke kunomehluko phakathi kwegama lakweni igama owethiwe abazali bakho lona. Ukuthi wena uPinki, Ntomzenkani.
Ntombi yenkosi, hayibo.
Yabo, Shanga, yabo.
Shange.
So-ke into kanjalo. Emveni kwalokho bese kuthi elomnsizwa ama-nickname nje smallest.
Yeah.
Igama lakho-ke lo lanina sathi
Yabo.
squirting lemntombi. Yes. So into eyenzakalayo-ke la umfazi omnyama njengoba eshukula iduku ingoba ma wayedlala kakhulu umgangela kwaNongoma. Edlala induku stick fight. I-stick fight ayesenza umfazi omnyama wayeneyingozi engapheka 30 la ikhanda.
Hayibo.
Inwele zengasamili.
So ngicela ukubuza umfazi omnyama no-black mambazo is the same thing because like black mfazi, black mnyama.
Yazi wena ngani usangane phela
Hayi yazi lama ngiyena umzimba kodwa ngithi. Because mina ka ke gotse yazi a ke tsebe ge. Ka baka la gore ge ke bolela Sepedi sa ka ke a tseba gore le ka senkwe.
Ikutoka hulu. Ningaphinde niqale njalo isiko lelikhona manje lapha. Ikutoka hulu.
I smell se agree ke. Ka gore ge ke bolela Sepedi sa ka ngizwa nkwe ene ke sure gore le lena a le nkwe. Jwatho a re agreeeng gore nyas butchari Zulu or ke bolela Sepedi.
Bulela Sepedi.
Ke bolele Sepedi.
Ya khana khanya.
Bulela Sepedi.
Zambixa khanyana.
Ngilizame kancane yabo. Kodwa ngicela lingangithuki emakhaya. Ngiyazama. Ungize ngeke azazana iSpedi. Kodwa ipoint yami be ukuthi ke gotse ke theletša ke bogela ebile ke theletša mfazi omnyama. Like ke fitla mo ke mo lebeletse ka yazo yang fanela lo munye umuntu lo buti nasabu kumbuza kodwa nathi kodwa umfazi omnyama. Even libo phuze chemist ke gotse ke ba theletša. But question ya ka e golo ke gore na lena ge mo le gotseng gona mmino wa Sepedi be le o theletša na.
Uyabona nje bechaza nje
Black mambazo. Black mambazo.
uthi umlungu abantu abangalovi kusasa emsebenzini olongekho kusasa uzoxoshwa.
Na ekugcineni.
Lifikele namhlanje.
Mana umfazi omnyama njengoba inengozi ezu-30 wagcina eseshuqula iduku. Kwase kusuba iswegi istayela sakhe somculo yabona. Wayithiwa inxele likaMgquzuli umfazi omnyama nezingane zakhe shibe dawe eqoma ntombi ngafa inhlamba kanyoko umfoka wololo emfana bebangabathakathi uzavula usangaza abantwana senuza umkhelele phezulu kwaNongoma la iqhamuka khona insizwa yasebenza kakhulu emayini kwakuthi emayini mangabe kuli break betha kadlala isiginci uthi makuthiwa umfazi omnyama ama Christmas party kukhona namabhosi emayini kube nestage adlalela abantu mahala eshayisa iginci umfazi omnyama uduma izulu. Then into eyenzeka I want to see this unity. Yakhumbula ukuthi abantu basemayini abaningi abesuthu bese kuzoba amampondo namaXhosa ngithi yabona abantu bakithi kwaZulu bancane lapha nalapha. Into eyenzeka uyakhumbula umfazi omnyama wayethandwa kakhulu eEastern Cape nakwaZulu futhi namanje eEastern Cape
uyiMpopo bere mrata too much besimthanda kodwa iyenzwa yini liqiniso ngicela ungitshela ukuthi iqiniso nokuthi makuqeda ukuperforma yena akekho umuntu ongaperforma emva kwakhe ngoba bekuba
umuthi wayesebenza umuthi-ke lo umuthi-ke lapho waxabana noJohnny Clegg noSipho Mchunu kanye no baba uShabalala wasebenzisa umuthi wathi bathi bafuna ukungena phambili bona ngoba wathi ngizobona lapha nokunjani uthi mayiqeda ukungena eGP host eGP lapha performer emvula lokho mayiphuma koduma izulu ashaya yonke into wayenomthi umfazi omnyama.
So the way ukhuluma ngakhona uyasebenza umuthi
uyeza hawu uyasebenza umuthi
ukusebenzele ngani wena usebenze kuphi ngisho ngawe experience yakho
umuthi awusebenzi mongenawo umsamo ophilayo kufana nokuthandaza kwephara nje elingenasidleke inyoni engenasidleke noma ingenzani
It's all about faith. You must believe in it.
but knowledge of the subject guys umfazi omnyama nayi indaba uthe suka lapho kuthe makufika ama big gurus of the mind wasuka lapho wayese kuzwakala okhosini kuzwa abantu base Eastern Cape nabantu bako Limpopo nendawo ukuthi kune competition ezokwenzelwa e-University of Natal as a venue based emsakazweni. Kwathiwa i-competition yomaskandi base bethi awu ngeke ngiyokhuluma nobasi umfazi omnyama kade edlala isiginci la kehle aye eThekwini ayokwenza lokho njaneni yayisponsorishwe iJuba abakwagalo yabona uGalo record emva kolokho mayifika lapho umfazi omnyama wathi mayisithinta isiginci kwahlanya wonke amajaji. Wow. Umfazi omnyama uPodloza umfokazi Mande ingulube encane yayikade ihlele lo mcimbi wama competition ngamaskandi yila umfazi omnyama won the title and wawina i-deal i-recording deal yaphina yaseGalo. Umfazi omnyama is the product of uPodloza Nzimande. Uthe mayingena laphana ngenxa yokuthi ukubonga uma ngithi thank you mina ngibonga mina kuwe nawe mina nawe nge-e-wallet ongisendela yona ngiyangizongithini ngikubona ukuthi mina mangumZulu hayi ngathi akwanele engathi ngawutshela umhlaba ukuthi awu yazi ukuthi ngifike lapha nje udadewethu ukukhiphe okugcina wathi ayi mfowethu hamba emcimbini kamfowethu noma hamba uyongcwaba umama wakho. Izinto enjengalezo we are the appreciating nation as a Zulu culture. So mayiseshaya isiginci-ke umfazi omnyama esethi ngiyakubonga Podloza mfokazi Mande ngokungikhipha le university ungathi uyitshela into nabantu wayifunda
Ngithi nje ngiyakhona une-degree lo muntu une-degree mfazi omnyama uthi degree
engandifana nawo lo ngoma busuku kade usho isicathamia Black Mambazo nokwakuthiwa ingoma busuku kuthiwa isicathamia ngiyabona into eyenzeka nina ebusuku uma ngabe sekushayisiwe mayini kugezwa inkompolo ezokuhlala kuzona ebese kuhlalwa phansi bese kuyahamba kuyoculelwe phansi ngoba ukuze obasi bengavuki. Emaweni webaba emaweni webaba emaweni webaba hey baba sola lemawe hey baba sola yabona ke manje yabona ke ithiwa ingoma busuku bese kuphinde iculelwa phansi makuculelwa phansi ukuze kungavuki obasi ngalesikhathi uculelwa phansi kusuke lapho bese kuthiwe uma uvuka usinga umuntu ukushaya ngathi ingoma uthi ginzi phansi kuthiwe cothoza mfana thiwe cothoza mfana cothoza mfana kodwa kuthiwa oswenka ngoba uma beqeda ukugeza badlishawa lapho abantu bese beswenka bebe makhathanzi ingakho into eyenzeka emlandweni wesicathamia iBlack Mambazo uMichael Jackson ngendlela ayeyinono ngakhona wayengamxhawula umuntu engayifakele clubs. uMichael Jackson kunesithombe sokuqala ngqa emlandweni kaMichael Jackson ekhumula igloves exhawula uProfessor Joseph Shabalala.
Amen.
That is in book of record.
Amen.
Yabona. Paul Simon namhlanje basekhona bangayisho leyo nto leyo ukuthi isikhona leso sithombe waguqa Michael Jackson onaleja mina ngikhuluma mina ngoNkulunkulu God of entertainment. Chris Brown can do anything. He can rise above the ashes. Can someone like Beyonce, like Jay-Z, God ogcineni kosuku the God and the devil of entertainment still remain with Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson, MJ.
Yo, yazi indaba ezithi
Yeah, ne.
kunento lana abantu eyasala last week kade ngibona bebuza kakhulu kuthiwa yini kuthiwa izingane zamanje zithanda kakhulu ucansi noma kuzala kakhulu inatality sinkulu kakhulu esikhathi samanje kufika kwabantu emhlabeni
Cupid.
yeah than before bengifisa ukuthi si-engage leyo nto leyo singadluli sishiya abantu besalangazelela ukwazi.
Awungabuza ngalaba baseLimpopo kuthiwa bayithanda kabi sex lapha otese laba bayithanda kabi sex.
No into engeke ngiyibone
Yibo Eastern Cape kuthiwa yabo iLimpopo Eastern Cape
Cha.
ayithiwa
ngiyamangala ukuthi kanjani ngoba i-sex inatality in a proportionality in unemployment. So whenever there is an increase in the unemployment, obviously kuzoba nokuzala okuningi abantu bakithi make bahlala bangenzi lutho
Babhorekela kwi-sex.
into abayenzayo
Yebo,
ucansi.
yebo.
So ngiyamangala ngoba iLimpopo ikazi ngahlonzwa ngokama state as
Yeah.
abantu abana unemployment kakhulu. So but kumina angazi uzosho lokhuzana sisters la. Kumina into ekhona engike ngiyibone ukudla osekudliwayo esikhathini
I was
samanje.
about to say that ukudla kwamanje akufani nokwakudala, so i-puberty iyashesha, iy'ngane zamanje ziyashiselwa
Chaza lento ethiwa i-puberty ngoba nisho amagama amnandi la ngaze ngizala ingane ngiyoyetha mina ngithi mina puberty.
Puberty. That means isilungu, it's not our mother tongue. Ukukuphendula, you are right, ukudla kwamanje dijotsha kona jwalo. Dala umfazi bengango or ungane yentombazana. Beyasadumelelo gore aje mai until they reach a certain age. Kodwa manje umuntu udla ama-eggs, udla ubisi, udla ucheese, and then all these things zenza ukuthi ufune leya nto yabo. So hence the high natality rate. However, singakhohlwa futhi
Ukuhlonisa kanjani uma ukudlela ucansi noma ukudlela impilo ngoba lezi zinto enizibalayo zi-healthy and futhi ziyanconywa ku-breakfast udazidle msana usiphambanisela namakinati utholakale nama-protein amaningi nani. Manje-ke ukutshela kanjani ukudla ukuthi-ke kudla angikudleli njalo isex ngifuna ekuqhenyelwa mina ngifuna ini malake niyikhasi
Angibekele la umacingwana la kulento le. Macingwana ukhule ungaka nje ukhule ubungawudla ucheese neram ekseni ubukhula udla isikhokho esisale ngayizolo ekhaya lokho kukhona sokuthola noma umfudumeza awazi ama-oat izinto ezi-high in carbs carbohydrate awukazi kuthiwa uyadla kuthiwa uyabhalansisa what into zama-conflicts nama-daily milk what. So we grew up knowing ukuthi you reach puberty stage at the age of 16 abanye 14 years. Thina singabantu besilisa we tend to take some time ukureach puberty unlike abantu besifazana ngoba bayashesha ukuhlosa kubonakala amabele kuba ama-shoulders nani yonke lento ebakhona. So here is the problem. Abantu abadala bebeyigather lento ye-nutrition bene-guidance bebeyi-understand i-science kanjani. For practical example, babiza umuntu wesifazane isitho sakhe sangaseso ngenkomo. Abantu abazi ukuthi lokho kusukela scientifically estructure sokuthi mawudweba istructure somuntu wesifazane inkomo yakhe kume kanje. Kungathi kuneyimpondo so kwathiwa inkomo. Kumungu umuntu wesifazane. Ngoba
uthini kwasukelaphi?
hayi mina
Ngeke mina mangaqanjwa.
Mina ngathi isibaya sashaka ngathi kuthiwa simi kanje, angazi noma isibaya noma yini.
Phuma nje kuyi-designer uyabona wena gayina uyabheda uyabheda lalela-ke yabona-ke umuntu umsangana kwegayina ecologist le wena gynecologist
angisiyona igayina amacingwana but ngifuna uku-assista la uma ngabe kudwetshwa scientifically inkomo kwekuthiwa ethe i-structure kunenkolelo ukuthi ime like
ekabale unkolelo one ngiyamaka ngiphethe ipanelo libomvu nebhebe
no
ekabale unkolelo
it's scientifical and pragmatic.
hayi kodwa-ke wena
Listen.
musa wena ukuteka ibhola ngasithende ngithi mina kuwe inkomo ngoba iyicala uyithinta icala inkomo iyona mali yakwaZulu iyona nto okulungiswa ngayo izinto kufiwe kujatshulwe into ekuthiwa inkomo yingakho ufuna wazi ukuthi kuthiwa ungadlala yonke indawo kudlalelwa esibayeni
saka baba wakho yebo iqhamuka lapho. I don't think
manini wena ngoba awunawo umlando wokukhuthala ekubhebheni wena mfana mana isukaphi lento yokuthi wena uyidiza lenkomo ube yigayina
No, macingwana. No, angisiyona igayina but bengikhuluma ngezinto as-scientifical and as pragmatic like ongakwazi ukusi-experiment. So bamba-ke lapho.
as a pragmatic.
It's so scientifical. So out of everything, bavele bayifanisa nenkomo. Because nazo asifani inkomo.
Mana-ke,
Asifani inkomo.
No, but ukubona ubuso benkomo bumi kanjani like the
Ney'nkondo
face.
zakhona.
So when you have the horns and you can see inkomo
Qhubeka le nto khona abantu abagcina sebegobhoza la siyiprove.
cha uphila
Cha.
Or lisho ini, lisho isibeletho. Or
Yes,
lisho yona
inside.
Konke
Here.
isibeletho konke nje.
Yeah, mawudeba
Phela welokhuzana Teboho akusiyona inkomo ngoba ubuka the outside surface of the vagina.
it's the vulva.
Yabona
It's the-
akusiyona indlebe le phina yakho le akusiyona indlebe ingaphakathi.
China.
Kodwa into esimele si-understand lana
Yes, Teboho.
ukuthi abantu bakudala bebangaqwalanga ama-jokes.
Absolutely,
Angithi
that's true,
besifollow
that's
isintu. So mabathi into inkomo bebasho ukuthi vele umfazi or intombazana kuba ngwaninyana ga atlonyalwa ushadelwa leyo nto. That's why kudala abantu
usapho usimende.
bekazibamba ngithi intombazana ikanye intombazana bekizibamba ishade maseyi virgin, right? That's why bathi ungadlali ngenkomo yakababa wakho. It's not it has
Ekamama.
yakamama, not yakababa.
Kuthiwa isibaya makuthiwa isikababa.
Isibaya saka baba.
Yes.
Kanti umuntu wesilisa mese ashada, ushada yini asibeni honest.
Oqala
Besides
mana-ke
Ehe.
uyayithanda wena sex.
Not too much.
Uyayithanda yini?
Imnandi yona, kodwa not too much.
Mana ngimlekelela.
Yabona ngishila Limpopo. Mabili.
Mana ngilekelela. Umuntu ophila ngaphansi komthunzi welanga. I think it a response after mechanism yomzimba ukuthi desire sex.
Yeah.
That nature. Ingakho umuntu wesilisa uma elala noma evuka ezizwe ngathi udinga umuntu wesifazane. Ngikhule ogogo bebekhula besithinta la ngaphansi kumascrotum. Yes, bethi babhema ugwayi wogogo akuthintela athi awuthi ngizwe.
Ay, Gogoy, that's pedophile. That's a pedophile.
Yeah, so
Uvumelana nesha.
That's a pedophile. What?
yeah, so
Aqabule ngqongqongqo uzasisa nejwabu lapho sizingane.
so lokhu athi babhema ugwayi wogogo lokho bekwenzelani na? Bekutesta
Akuthixo lo mthambo kaNkulunkulu kodwa uNkulunkulu uyadesign. Ekushaya isitishi somhlaba. Lo mthambo lo uvela ukuthi
so
Umthambo lo hamba exactly with the balls, ne?
betesta ifertility yakho ukuthi are you active yini imizwa ngoba emva kwalapho
Wait, she was blowjob or just touching?
ugogo. Uzoyishawula le ndaba. Awu le ntombazana injani? Manje ufuna lolu luhlelo. Le ngane ngempela mana wena ngane wena ukuhlonipha inhlobo nje. Ugogo benza ama blowjob nengane ento 1 year.
I didn't you go like this?
Phela manje kufika ngapha umuntu lapha. Bungicaba kuphela noma usobuye uyijabulelwe yini abukeli. Ingane ijabulelwe yini abukeli. Wakuthinta vele uzogqenyelwa lokho kungane ke kuthi.
But that's what he did though. But he went. That's what I'm saying. Are they giving you a blowjob or you hand job?
No.
Cha khona kodwa kuyazi kusa blowjob khona ngoba le blowjob sada kuyifunda. Sada kuyifunda lento ukuthi uphakama ngathi breakdown.
you know
I'm right.
Sada kuyazi mina lento. Manje nisuke niyezelani lento lento. Iphakama ngathi breakdown.
Ang-assist la angilekelele la e-order la so Pinky
Into phela umlomo yini.
uma ngabe kade Pinky come on guys come on Phela
ngiyaje ngisawubona waleyo nja.
come on
Sawubona futhi kwathi uqotha isende.
uma ngabe bekwenziwa lento le bekusuke kucheckwa even naney'nhlamvu lezi zombili ukuthi zikhona yini.
The nuts and
Yeah, remember ukuthi not nuts.
Ayona isikole
No, ukuthi angithi manje lapha.
Masishoda bebayenzani.
Angizwa?
abalekela isikole kahle awuyosebenzisa namhlanje sengisfica amagini
Yes. Yes.
umuntu lephathise kabi ngizolandela isikole
Yazi ukuthi while isakhuluma nto le ngithusa ngento amacingwana emzimbeni womuntu ayikho into uNkulunkulu akayidala engenawo umsebenzi.
yeah.
Okay.
Yini into mangabuza kuwena yini umsebenzi womlomo in your information?
kabulu khisi zokukhulula ishipha
Ukukhuluma.
Yes.
Ukudla.
Ukudla.
Yeah.
At perfect kuleyo kudla bese ngiyakubona leyo kunye umlomo umsebenzi wawo
uba i-back up yokuthi uba kunomkhuhlane nje amakhala engasebenzi ngiphefumule ngomlomo i-back up
like ngikhuluma ngey'ndebe lezi ngikhuluma ngey'ndebe
Benza lokhu ngibe kakhuluma ngakho.
ukuthi ucabuza.
Yes.
No, but umlomo owenzelwa ukuthi uvimbe ukudla mawuhlafuna ukuthi kungaphumi ngalo kwamazinyo.
uyazi ukuthi mana kwendoda mana
Not ukuthi
ongancancathi njengengwenya
yes Jabezela.
ingwenya iyaxhavuza
Angithi nina ngenza njengengwenya ngoba anistiki kulokho esisuke sikusho. Ngibalekile laphana ngisachaza ukuthi
Besakhuluma
knowledge of the subject ngayifunda lento
Besakhuluma ngokuthi iyazalwa abantwana
nabantu bayazala so you shifted yonke lento.
wena isiphuphu kuwe
Awu.
wena isikoleni okutholanga lokho okufanele manje lokho kusho manje
ini plot
Kuphi khona?
Because bekakhuluma ngenkoma ngisho. Yebo bekakhuluma ngenkoma.
uwe obaleka kwi-subject ingqondo yakho iningi kakhulu myeza
Cha, inina abantu abaningidistractile. Bengisasho ukuthi sikhuluma ngezinto
buyela
zakudala
phela
ukuthi-
sikhuza
Yes, all right. Abantu abadala babengakwenzi ngoba izimpathu ukuthi ungawadla. Ngakho ngeke ngithi babe ngama scientist. Ngase ngenza example ngenkomo.
yes.
Ngoba mongawugugisa istructure senkomo umuntu wesifazane uzofica ngathi kuyizimpondo zenkomo.
Yes.
So into kade ngizama ukuthi ngichaze ukuthi uTadela was more as like more scientist ngoba bekwazi even ukubona ikhathi nezimo zezulu. Kanjani na ubungavumelekile mawuyingane ukuthi udla amaqanda ekhaya. Ubungaliphuza ubisi yonke lento lobisi lokho.
ikakhulukazi uma uyintombazane
Because it turns you on.
Uyintombazane.
Yeah.
Yina bungaphunta
I know
atramel
that.
cheese nana.
Yeah.
What was the reason behind?
It turns you on.
All right.
man until they say how far until which age ngoba izalukazi ziyahla ziyagimba no on
Nope. But these are guys who don't need to get turned on anyways.
So lana lento bengenayo age ingakho intombazane noma umfana bengayithinti bimthatha njengobhuti ibingasheshi isukumelwe imizwa ngesimo sokudla ekudlayo ngoba ibingekho exposed kuma daily fat. Ingakho abantu bakudala bebengazali bebancane mhlambe bezizala mhlambe mayethathwa athathwe no 18 21 years
21, yeah.
njengami nje ibona abantu engibathathayo ke la
kuyinayitho
angifune mina nje indaba yemina izalukazi ziyathetha izalukazi zino
1821.
ziyachaza hayi yabona nje
so
ilist uthi ungena nje nayi list nayi list
so kuleyo nto leyo ukudla bekune role okuyidlalayo ngaphambili
body.
ingakho kwade kuhlezi kucontrola futhi ingakho besingenawo umthamo wabantu abazalwa kakhulu manje ingane sithola zino 13 years sezukuphi ingane hlala ino 7 years isineyimpondo
Siyahlosa.
hey isineyimpondo like
Sinamaleba.
isikutshela ukuthi inama feelings and we were not
no 7 years in unakempela wena kuyasho ukuthi
14. You pull them at 14 years old to prepare for your future.
ubengithi 7
So
Not 7,
Okay,
14. You
14.
get taught ukuthi you must pull
cha
them.
kuthiwa kwenzeke lesuthu lo lesuthu lethweni
Hayi naseThekwini bayakwenza ke.
bayasengwa lapha abantu
into usalana or
No, it's just a underground technique. Ukudonsa. Okay.
qhubeka kalawo kade
yazini kuningi ngifuna ucomment ngalokhu okay yeah
Khonto bengisafisa ukizwa ngale nto kade khulunywa uPinky, but anyway it's fine.
Ingqondo yakhe eningi kakhulu uyabuyela.
No, wanted to engage. So, besizakele like abantu abadala bebekwazi ukusiza isizwe kukhuliswa izingane ngendlela thizeni even ikhamba nosiko besingenazo lezi zinto ekade zikhona njengamanje, and abantu before they were not having an access to pornography. Kwakunzima kuyihlazo ukuthi ungabona abantu beqabulana kuphi ngoba ibingekho lento yama televisions nani ibingekho and sikhule kuma families la khona nga understand ukuthi khona into ekuthiwa ama feelings ukuthi ungathiwa wena uhlala usuthi unomngane umfana noma nani into ebikade ithathwa njengobhuti nani abantu bebusy beactive ngezinye zezinto umqondo wabo ungekho la njengamanje isimo subjected kusona uphuma uye university subject uhleli wedwa uhlala nomuntu wesilisa nomuntu wesifazana uhleli la endlini uzwa ziyakhala kwamakhelwane umqondo wakho wonke ushiftile into eningi unesikole unempilo okumele ubhekane nayo la iuniversity ibuilda umuntu wayo nayo at the same time noma ukhula ko life orientation kwakuze kufika abantu laphana ko staff for life kuphika uphela organizations ama NGO afike azonenzela izinto ezipractical ukuthi ucansi condomize yenzani ucansi is promoted ingane ziyasokwa every now and then so into le khona nje kulesi sikhathi lesisiphila kusona sanamhlanje yiyo ke lento yenza ukuthi umuntu whenever unemployed noma engenzi lutho isport sakhe noma ihobby yakhe good hambe koze
Nazi nesemalokishini.
Mana ke Miyeza uyazi wePinky ngifuna uyincome ubuhlakani bakho Miyeza kodwa ukwazi ukuthi sengimnothisile ama-video amaningi liyafuka neyoda Miyeza ngoba akekho umuntu ogxeka isex njengomiyeza yabona uze ayifunele i-foundation yakhe i-foundation afake insimbi elokhu eyigxekile soneni kuwe Miyeza sibhizi kangaka nesex manini-ke wasilimazela ibhizinisi lethu lesex
no macingwana
mana ulugxeka kangaka futhi ulifaka imfundo ulifaka isingisi ulokhu elimelele ngehemba nje futhi to 4 pound ubhidliza nje indlu la kubhejwana uthola nje kubhejwana nje igqoma indlu iphansi futhi uyabona ukubona namabhomu kaTrump abufaka imizana lapha imizana ibhilidi la kubhejwana khona nje ba more than 5 or more than 500 people ufaka i-drone
yabo
Umbuzo umile.
yeah yes mana
unayo ingane Miyeza futhi osibili ugcine nini ukuba nomuntu osifazane ugcine nini na ukukhalisa kunjani
ikhala ni ndoda
bonke inkosi ugcine nini all right
Safe guys, safe.
safe kanjani like ukuthi no
khawula Miyeza ngeke you against sex
no
manje yabona nje insizwa semakhaya against sex kanje
no leta aningizwanga shuthi I'm not against sex is life so umzimba whenever u respond umzimba uhlezi unama demands wawo ngeke ngasho ngathi for a fertile male indoda ephilayo ithi mayilala ihlezi khumbula ukuthi engathi ingabonana nomunye umuntu ivuka futhi ekseni iteenage even ngisho ingane iqala nje mayivuka ekseni iyochama like phezulu komthakala engabe kuphi vele kusuke kuphezulu
ngisho neso esibhedlela yazi isiguli basiplaza mama bebona ukuthi usesuke ICU usefanele ayodena bangcono uvela mthinta mthamthamthe ekseni lapho nesilapha bangena ngo6 fanele ayindoda ayithinta lapha ngazaza ayitha ayibona make la shawa isiyezi shuthi leyo nzululwane iyodwa nje iningabe
uyazi ukuthi
ulo muntu is back to life ngoba akekho umuntu owafeqhenyelwa akekho yabona ungabuza bonke abantu abasema khona le boshana basebenza ngeidumbi iwile yonke imthondo emoshale yonke basebenza
macingwana
Is yes, I'm stuck there.
manini phela buye ukhumbule ukuthi ipenis indlu yomuntu wesilisa ayinalo ithambo. It is got only vein.
hey thina emahostela lutho iqine ngathi ithambo kodwa ke uzathi uyangilimaza nakho-ke sengifike khona nangethi uyangilimaza naso
macingwana why lento le ayinalo ithambo uma ngabe u-stressed uzoba nomuntu ayikwazi lento ukusukuma noma ukuperforma mangabe kukhona into exine kabi ngoba lento ihamba ne-coordination yomqondo negazi. Ubona abantu besilisa bechatha usuke ecleaner igazi hayi ukuthi usuke efuna ukuvusa ithambo elithize. Ubona mangabe umuntu ezodla uchizi adla amaqanda adla amakinati yinto leyo eyenza ukuthi igazi liflowe kalula
odokotela nigxeka ukuchatha kanti ukuchatha yabona abantu abaningi emhlabeni into abagcina babulala yabona khona imisoco ehamba egazini igcina ingafikile kwi-system ngenxa yokuthi ivinjwa amasimba lapho yabona isisu
Colonial.
isisu la
Yeah.
uhafu wento egcwele esisini i-waste yakutshela so
usukudlala
manje into eyenzakala noma uphuthu noma ngabe yinhloko noma ngabe yingakho yabona abantu abaningi abavuka begqishele ekuseni bethi bayafasa bafuna ukuba bajahe ukuthi bengadakwa begcine benemkhabelo uluphondo bese benokujana yabona nje mawubuka mina nje ngibona nje mina sisama usibuka ngathi ngiyagula angithi yabo yini na ngoba nginazi imbaya ngombawu zokuhosta umkhaba by nature yabo kodwa mawubuka leli bhavu lalomfana lona vele uNkulunkulu wadesign umuntu owazi ukuthi inkunzi ezokwendlaleka nje yabona izonde lomzimba kuncipha umthondo angithi yabona so manje into ezokwenzeka la kimi mina ngizoba nophondo olude nomthondo omude nayo yonke into njengale yini na idalwa yini na leyo nto leyo ukuthi you don't read your body. You are not disciplined in food and in the health status. Lento ithintayo is very important. That's why in last resort yabo bonke abantu besilisa especially abakhulele nyathi nje bokuchatha ukubona ukuthi abanye basebenzisa amakhambi. That's why I prefer the most imbiza uzothola ukuthi into ephuzwayo ngoba ingena better kwi system. Then into engena ngazathi khona umuntu engamfica lapha ngisahlale ehotela kwamasho wathi akafaka ilunga imbiza yelunga yabo ekhipha nayo wabona ukuthi ayincane lento yena nomthinto omkhulu wavela wafaka two lunga wafela khona
lento ngifuna ukuyilekelela la kuyisiza uma bethe odokotela bekudiscourage bathi ukudetoxa ubesho uchatha ya. So lapha kuyi-anus kumuntu nje etheni anus
ilibiza ngegama la
so anus bake bethi kunamazinyo liyandawo
nginamthetho namazinyo kodwa ke
so
ngeke lapho
ngithe bake bethi kunamazinyo
amazinyo
come on
akho umthetho
like leyandawo ngoba ivala isensitive ngendlela eyisimanga ayidalelwanga into engena ngala yeah so ngoba laphana there is a colon kuyi-rectum leyandawo it's responsible for the elimination of undigested food to move out, not for something to penetrate against the
uyabona Baba Umyeza lento uyishoyo is called Western education. Le information oyishoyo ibuya kubelungu because abelungu bathi mabafika lana bathola ukuthi sidina erekebulele ka language yakhe noma lingani
for my sake balance ngoba angifuna uqamba manga ngiyalahleka kakhulu
no
Spade nawe uyangihlaza manje awukwazi ukuthi ngumpedi uNkulunkulu so bekibelela ka Spade kire taba ye ya gore ha ke tsebore ke ibelele jwang gore ke tlhomphe taba ye ya gore knowledge ye ya gago is from Western education because white people mabafika lana or ngithabelungu ge ba fitla mo bahumane re dira dilo ka setso
ku right wena ukuthi kube khona into engena ngale ngemuva engqe
yebo
hayi bo
because abo babomkhulu wethu bebayenza and baphila
Macingwana,
baze bashona banabo ma 100 years
uthi ku right ukuthi
Yes.
lento kokuqala izilekelelo ngovaselina okukhombisa ukuthi kunzima ukuthi
angithi mele ufake uvaseline
wena
phela ngeke ube
mana
mele ufake uvaseline
ungazoveza uclever wena navusepe awuyabheda lo yabona
ithi ngiyicede
senithi uma
Yes.
bulela spade
yes ke a dumela ka baka la gore ke thuto ye le gore e tswa le bale ba batshweu ge ba fitlha mo nageng ya rena
la kakuko
Ntonikele basiqedile.
ba re humane re dira dilo
Translate.
ba humane rena batho ba bantsho re dira dilo ka jalo ka batho ba bantsho ba thole ukuthi mabafika lana bathole ukuthi senza izinto zethu siyaqhatha siyayiphuza imithi siyenzani bese babona ukuthi lento iyaphilisa wayibona bathi yazini asisebenze nge-mindset yabo uyayibona sibafundisa ukuthi what they are doing is wrong bathatha the same herbs ethina manje umuntu uma ungabona aphethe i-herbs uthi uyathakatha bathatha the same herbs basifaka kwiphilisi when uyayiphuza that's why you believe in laxatives because imfundiso iqhamuka nabantu abelungu you understand so iwela back gore bona joje ge nkare go lena kare ubani usebenzisa umuthi manje lana wonke umuntu uthi hayi angisebenzisi angiphuza indiza mina hayi mina ngiphuza iphilisi ibuya kuphi colonial mentality that's what we call colonial mentality ukuthi wena esumuntu omnyama
university against another university
wena esumuntu omnyama ne uskayithatha uskaba proud of who you are and even your roots where you come from hence manje mangangena kwisho ngiphuza umuthi ngizotrend abathi uyasebenzisa imithi le ntombazane iyaloya angiloyi the very same pills basebenzisayo zibuya kuma
My
head
sister, let me
uyaqinisile lokho kunento le efaka emakhaya okuthiwa baze bashintsha igama lakhona uyabona lento le evimbela ukuthi izulu
lightning conductor.
yes which is completely western kodwa ibizwa ngeyikhonkwana thina besikwenza kwaZulu imizi yonke iyabethela umuzi uyabethela ngendlela yethu yesintu kodwa bona uma sebeqhamuka nento ewestern ehlanganisa ogesi lana lebekwelapha kuthiwe mangabe izovikela izulu malifika yabona
ayina gesi Macingwana it's a lightning conductor ngoba isuka ivelela angithi uyazi ukuthi izulu alikwazi ukukushaya mawulele phezulu kombhede uyazi ukuthi uma usemontweni usafe kwi-thunderstorm
umfowethu eshawa yisulu ukhona umbhedo namanga
mana Macingwana before mangabe
kwasha ngisho inkinga umndeni wabo wathiwa uyathakatha
that was a witchcraft ngifuna ukuyichaza lento le before abantu abadala bebeka amathayi phezulu kwezindlu not understanding ukuthi kahle indlu futhi mangabe kwenziwa izulu kumele yakhelwe phezulu kwamathayi ngoba before i-lightning strike it needs to earth ufuna ukuthi lento ezoyishaya kumele ukuthi ibe on earth ibe kwi-surface ibe kwi-surface yeah ngifuna ukuchaza ngiqede le so bese iya-strike lightning uma ngabe usembhedeni on rare times whereby lightning can strike you successfully ingakho imondo ihamba ngamasondo emgwaqeni kuthiwa yona ndawo ephephile kwi-lightning ingoba ayi-ethile on the ground and izulu kwazi ukukushaya ume phansi kwesihlahla noma ume sendaweni esehlane sobala ngoba usuke uyi-tallest object available ukuthi kwazi lightning ukuthi must strike to you and uyayi-conductor ngoba usuke ethile. So let's talk about this lightning conductor. Laphana enziwe ngamakhopha leya zazinto leziya. No, angithi we are just having a conversation.
Yes.
So ngezinto ezibalekile, ngezinto futhi nawo zazi kade zenziwe emakhaya even ukubeka amathayi phezulu kwezindlu nani. So laphana ke lento le ema lightning conductor ikhopha nani yona lisuke ibathola kanje bese bana ere lencane. Whenever lightning izo striker ishaya lento le like iqala la lento le ikhopha iabsorbe that lightning isuka lapha lentozaneni phezulu kwezindlu ingakho kungabalekile ekhaya ukuthi kube khona izihlahla zibe ningi eziphezulu kwezindlu ngoba umbani ngathi mawushaya isihlahla esithile kugcine sekuaffecteka nabantu abakhona ebaleni.
Umbhedo ulingana nesihlahla.
Cha ulingane nesihlahla. Ngithenda bezitha before lightning ikwazi ukustrike to act against you. You must act. Be a conductor.
Yini ukuyetha?
Le kusho ukuthi iba semhlabathini ima.
Umane onje umhlaba kuthiwa i-earth ngoba sibethwe kwawo. Hawu ya bafethu hayi ngeke bafethu hayi ufundile.
So wena wapeyita uyakhatha.
Ufundile ingane enkulu nasephakameni. Ufundile
You know what I mean. What we were talking about was fate.
Angazi mina like ngiyalahleka mawuthi ngiyaqhatha mina mawukhuluma ngokuqhatha ukhuluma ngabafana abasentabeni
like uyangizwa manje ngikubulela ka language yakho wapeyita na.
All right. I think 13 years ago, 15 years ago. Ukuthi ngifake into ngemuva. I was very young ending leyo nto leyo.
You're keeping your virginity for future.
Anginawo into engangena ngemuva. Kunzima kabi. No phela bekukhumbule phiki lento leyo.
Ukuhamba nje 2 seconds seniyapeyita.
Mana phiki.
Uthe umthetho namazinyo lo. Shuthi
wasuke futhi wathi umuntu akamelanga apeyite ngoba ayikho into emeli iqhatha ayikho into emeli ingene.
Kodwa bezitha uyayivuma ukuthi kube khona into engena ngemuva edodeni.
Mina ngithuba
Awume kancane ngifuna ukuzwa nangondaba bezitha. Bacingwana uthi
hayi into engene ukhatha right.
Cha uthi ngithi mina
noma unyathuka kancane phela nomngangephe. Kodwa lo right ngoba lelo after that nje isangena nje into emnandi ngalento ithi yehle imbiza lapha phezulu uyikhunge
kunomnandi futhi baqala ngemuva.
Cha man ithi ngene ibiphakamithi.
Yini lemnandi ngento engena ngemuva ndabezitha.
Akuyonto emnandi leyo.
Kanti uthini futhi manje?
Ngithi mina kuwe ngalesikhathi ngingena imbiza qineka indo yaphakama. Iyona into emnandi.
Cha
Because your what is it? G spot is in the ass, in the anal. That's why.
No.
That's why Pagam.
We don't have any nerves that activate erections on our anus. Listen, Teboho. La kwenzakala kanje. The moment you are ejecting letter yoqhatha detoxer. Leyanto cleaner icolon. Kusuke kune
chaza ngisho ifenda le uyayibona le ayiyathile.
Lesino ukuthi kwenzakalana. Angithi lapha kusuke kune waste yokudla kusuke ngakhishiwe kuyicolon. Usuke kuhleli ukuthi
yikho ukubona sesilanda loluphuthu loluhlangana nenhloko ukuthi aliphume.
Okusuke kustakhile. Mind you, la kuyicolon la kuyicolon ngoba icoil inezinto ezincane kuabsorba kuyenzeka thola ukuthi kunama nutrients angadonswanga mhlawumbe ama proteins what adonswe
lamazinyo umdidi alumani lapha isiyalumani
ngigeza lapho ndaba ezethu so kuyathathwa la ngale kanti lokudla selokhu kustakhile ngingafuni ukuphuma kuwena usuchatha sekuyaklineka ngale nkathi klineka sekuphuma sekuqhatha lezi igaxa lezi ingale nkathi igazi liklineka bese kuphakama umacingwana lapha no phela khombisa impilo usukuphila mangabe usuthuku nempilo uma ngabe
mina ngingaphili mina umama wami u-39 years dweka unengane encelayo kuyimanje nengane engaphela kwa-70 nabafazi abawu-40
unamandla. Ngiyamdinga esikoleni. School for side chicks.
Ezokwenzani manje esikoleni?
School for side chicks. Phela siyabadinga
maninike kuyi-culture yenu ngoba ngibuzile nje ingane yakwethu kuyi-culture yenu laba sixulo samaTebele lidlabe singafolokho yonke lento esiyikhulumayo umehluko kuphi and what is interesting about our culture as a Zulu nation and what you can learn and take and what you think we can learn and take despite us being resistance because ezinye izinto ukuthi yazi ukuthi amaZulu anenkani engenangqondo they can learn a lot about us and everything or we are similar to this please shoda ngolimi lwakho
go bolela nnete ka moka ga rena re ma-Afrika
kudlwa
ra fetša gape ra ba batho ba Afrika Borwa dijo tša rena a di swane kudu mara di na le mo di fapanang gona go ya ka gore nna re western bokakang so sa mathomo ge ke fitlha mo KZN for the first time I think it was like 20 years ago I was so surprised ukuthi kune shop yomuthi kuna le shop ya ditlhare and batho ba tsena and proudly so.
ubona ukuthi kunomayimaye lapha kwaZulu Natali okudayiswa khona imithi bese kuphinda kuba nalapha eBriya la ndayisa khona imbiza nayo yonke into usashila umlungu woza umlungu
yep so ge ke fitlha mo ke bona le gore go na le mo dishopo tse di rekisang ditlhare and go normal for batho ba for maZulu gore ba tsene ba reke ditlhare there was nothing to be embarrassed about right and ge ba bona sangoma or inyanga bathi thokoza bayamhlonipha whereas growing up in Limpopo mawuyisangoma bomthakathi like if utswa family nge lo gore go na le sangoma and there were only a few like ge ke gopola ga botse ko villageng e ke tswang go yona e ke gopola ga botse be le one family only e be le gore be go na le mokgekolo e le gore ke ngaka ene be re ba bona as baloi or batho be ba bona as baloi abathakathi where I understand and when I got here I was like wow abantu base KZN really respect traditional
Bathakasha too much.
however
yabona ke umlungu seligoqileke lapho nganza kwethu nini amabhinqa kwibhinqa nation yabona intolekela umlungu lapha uyakubeka ngokusobala ukuthi lapha kwaZulu nina niyamukelana nezinyanga niyathandana nezinyanga futhi imithi neyihlonipha imvelo neyihlonipha nemithi niyakholela kuyona niyasebenza uthi ngakubo eLimpopo ma usebenzisa umuthi umthakathi
no dala bazomthuka phela angifuni ukuthi bahle banithuke kodwa things have changed now re bona batho ba bantshi ba embrace African spirituality whereas even in mainstream media ko di television in re bona dingaka di bontshiwa so people are proudly traditional healers right so le no ge ke ya gae ke bona difference we ya gore okay o bona umuntu agqoka amabhayi wakhe and it's okay thokoza gogo we understand which is very good for mina secondly there is a saying yamaZulu in as much as ngi understand ukuthi mawuzibonga mele uzibonga ungaqabangela umunye umuntu malithi ithina abantu first time uMaqingwane ayisho sise busy khona senze event wathi ithina abantu wathi ithina abantu and I did not understand it and I was a bit offended ukuthi ithina abantu then thina what are we animals however mangikhula nga understand ukuthi bese uyazibonga nje so and amaZulu mina mangifike lana li very welcoming you are loving however leli portrayayo out there ibe ukuthi banenkani badubula manje bashaya manje kodwa yes no linothando
ngakho Maqingwane enamakhosikazi awu 4 yedwa 4 in 1 and
no mona onke lo khulumayo
udalela uthi usafuna uadd 2
wena unamangaki
angizwa hayi asikhuluma
babangaki bakho akithi nawo umZulu nawo umZulu nje ngeke phela ukhulumela uMaqingwane so amaZulu anothando kakhulu insizwa zakhona futhi siyakwazi ukushare kodwa isithembu melwazi ukuthi uzongena esithembini
hayibo musukusibeka kabi
mana ke semthethweni noma singeke emthethweni qinisile
musukusibeka kabi ukuthi kwazi ukuthi nasilethana silathene nethembu
In simpler terms, they are not loyal.
we are not loyal
Yeah, you think it's same.
yabona ngutshele mina akekho umuntu wesilisa noma uhlobo lomfana oluthola ulu-enjoy ngaphandle kwendoda yomZulu ma usufuna incethe umfana osangena ohamba iphathana nembala kanje egaxa ngapha ngemuva uyahamba uyifuna kwamanye ama-province but indoda yomZulu nina as humans nine-culture ne-element eni-enjoyayo of being always like inferior
Yeah.
you always like engage noma embrace lento your superiority as in like i-position yendoda kwena. Whenever usunendoda ekwenza ukuthi ufeel superior and yona ibe inferior, you are no longer enjoying like your love or relationship.
we wanna be
But that superiority, you will enjoy it. My indoda umzulu izokutshela ukuthi cha, ngiyakuzwa ukuthi uthini mama soqedile kodwa mina angikwenzi.
Siyayithanda leyo nto.
Yeah, you enjoy that. My indoda umzulu izokutshela
don't worry, my man
mina
is-
ngingene
don't worry.
ngeValentine.
Yeah.
As much as uzoba buhlungu, but over time uzokwazi na ukuthi unendoda, but you won't say it.
Yeah.
Kunendoda ehlezi kwaziwa umuntu esifana enjoy indoda mayazi ukuthi ithambile njalo whenever
Inyoni.
idinga something.
Thank you, lenyoni.
Yeah, udinga something endlini.
Yeah.
Nakho kukhona njengamanje ukuthi nokuthi asambe sohlala ngathi indoda kuthiwa uhambe uyobhuquza
In
ehlabathini
simpler
una.
terms, sound by toxic. Amazulu athanda ukuba
Kodwa-
toxic.
Sorry for interjecting.
Yeah.
Kodwa we can generalize. Abantu besifazane they are different.
Yeah.
For example, ngiyamrata monna onale that vavavum.
Yes.
Nakho.
yes.
Yabona
Nakho.
lento.
Yeah.
Kodwa futhi I don't mind.
Shona
Kufanele uhloniphe.
ukuthi uyamthanda umuntu osangizwe like.
Hayi.
Ah?
Yeah.
Ngibatshela iqiniso ngawo. Because I feel like there are a lot of
He's such a gentleman.
Thank you.
But he's very like
and he's very
but he's such a-
romantic.
yeah.
He's very romantic because
That Zulu in him doesn't die.
ngisho
Khuluma.
ithi ngikhulume ngiberekile le yena and ke closely family ya haga as well.
Hayibo.
Very romantic.
Romantic. Ngezwe nami
Very, very
ngayizwa nami.
angibona uthenga imbali kodwa but ama presents uyawathenga
Awu
mfowethu.
ibala kayifuni.
Wambona ngani ukuthi romantic?
Kubafazi bakhe.
Wenzani like wenzani?
A lot like like you're a lot.
He's such
Ngikhuluma
a
the
softie
whole-
when it comes to his wives.
He is very
But when it
soft.
comes to here podcast and chill, hey,
Yeah, he's
But,
he's a very soft person.
No,
Very soft person.
you want a man to be bullied on over the road and pretending to fight like Indians.
Stand firm.
I don't pretend to fight, I fight.
Stand firm.
Macingwana mawusuphinda kule tour othi yashoda uzophinda
Ungibondela umuzi, yazi ungibondela umuzi. Ungibondela umuzi.
uzobuyela emhlabeni.
Ngoba uyabona into oyizingelayo la uzingela ukuthi wena mina ufuna ukungibona ngisokole ngichaza yazi lento yokuchaza kubafazi ekusendela iclip encane la kushiwo khona leyo nto bese manje yabo manje ungibondela umuzi nje yabo so ungibondela umuzi ngoba wena uyimpungushe
Wena unani babagaya?
akana mafazi
Asikhulume
la
ngaye.
akana mafazi la
walokhu ku-consent ngendaba yami nokuba nonkosikazi kwenzakalani?
Ufuna ukuthatha.
Phela siyafana
Lutho baba.
siyafana phela mina nawe la.
Lutho baba.
Siyahukapha manje selimpopo.
Kodwa into ebalulekile ngiyabonga kakhulu ngenza kwethu la kwi-Benga Nation Podcast and Chill Network ibalulekile kakhulu ukuthi umlando waseLimpopo sasozwile umlungu shilo ke ukuthi mangabe ungumZulu uromantic uyakwazi ukuthi umukele abanye abantu futhi nomuntu uphathe njengesandla ungabizwa ngomthakathi kubalekile lokho kade sikubaba ushalazile nje embatha lapha oneminyaka ngale ka100 futhi kuyakhumbula ukuthi inyanga eyadumayo kakhulu kuleliso uzosobala mbatha noshalazile owambatha uyinduna yensizwa futhi phethe yokinto so nami bengabe icala nje akufihli ukuthi benginayo inyanga mina lalisa amajaji amajaji ayelala enkantolo
Macingwana uyibuzile nenyanga laphana ukuthi befuna ukutshela ngoba uyalazi ulwazi leli mangithi umuntu mayemile uma ngeyindlebe saphikisana kakhulu nawe last week ukuthi ibalance yomuntu ila esemadlebeni ukuma komuntu mayisukume manje standing up.
hayi mina cha angikwazi lokho angibuze umuntu futhi ngoba ufethu wena mfethu siqhamukela ne-foreign in the currency ilento imali le leyo lamba nayo egarage amasimba nginawo mina amadola ngabe nawo
Indaba ezitha kumele
awekho phansi kwamaplan
Macingwana asibaphilise nabantu singabantu
akupheke nawo le mali kuthiwa angivezi ukuthi ngibuyeni niphesheya
Okay.
Sifana ngithi ngiye phesheya mina kuyimanga ngashintsha lamadolo. Nginawo kodwa ngawashushumbisa.
Kodwa Macingwana singabalahlekisa abantu bayakudinga ukwazi lokho. Umuntu mayemile uma ngeindlebe. Yonke ibalance yomuntu isekhanda. Ungalihamba izuliqede. Woyibuza ukuthi why uphuza igrandpa yeswini kodwa ilapha ikhanda phezulu. Why umuntu mayekushaya kabi ngempama kubhanqa nendlebe kanje. Kodwa akakhayanga emzimbeni.
Sinabo abafowethu thina laba abazi ikhunku lapha abanembobo indlebe hayi amadlebe. Abawazi uma nje bebelwe ngizomlanda wena utho this week ngiyamlanda uzokushaya ubalansile nje uzokushaya nje.
Na ubalansile enjalo kodwa ume ngeindlebe. Ibalance
ingaphansi. Letize kuwo uyibona wena ukuthi ayikhulunywa kuwe.
Angiyizwa, I don't understand.
Bakathi ukuthi abathi hayi budu bethe abani ngiye. Ngiyakutshela mina.
Ngithi literally ukuthi umuntu uma ngendlebe like I honestly.
Mana iphuthe silenzayo. Ucabanga ukuthi masikhuluma ngendlebe sikhuluma ngendebe le. That is our biggest mistake. Ukuthi umuntu ume ngalento oyibona external. Indlebe yokuzwa umuntu akazi lento le iqoqa ama sounds waves ngoba sikhuluma kanje iwafake lapha ku frequency ifake lapha
ifana ne satellite dish.
Phela Macingwana ngoba
hostela umuntu wathi nabo afford ngabona 17 ehostela engaqala ukubona mina ama satellite ebuilding uhlawulo lodwa angaphewe 1000 awushola phansi. No ngapha abankanki hotel asabonakali semhlophe huyo hostela.
Yabona kulento le ngizoyichaza ngoba sine amplifier lapha equalizer our sounds. Nakuwena endlebeni yakwenzakala leyo nto leyo before ukwazi ungizwe ukuthi ngithini. Ukuthi into esuke the mechanism that occurs took place simultaneously with every other mechanism zangaba khona endlebeni.
Abantu abafundile.
Man, no, this is a
ngamshaya mina kathi angende ayakushela hayi
Kodwa in simple.
No,
ngeyiqupha
mana Macingwana.
Na imfundo
Angifuni lento siyicomplicate. I'm being yabona if you can go deeper akekho umuntu ongezwe. But ngibeka mina in simplest terms as much as now ungayithi.
uthini kodwa la khona angafinyela igazi ngiyakutshela
Macingwana we are helping the community. Uyazi ukuthi ngizokutshela lesimanga kuney'boya ey'mila la emakhaleni.
Izinto zamakhala lezo.
Yabona
Usezothi nazo ziyabalance.
Yabona if you work on a dusty environment automatically umzimba uyaresponda ukuthi ufuna ebe namasila la kube ney'nto ey'mila la. Abantu aba-understand ukuthi it is wrong ukufaka i-earbud endlebeni.
Thank you. Yeah.
Yes.
You're not supposed to do
Because
that.
it's
Yeah.
a nature of a human ear ukuthi ibe ne-cerumen into ebizwa
Yeah.
ngegonogono.
You're not supposed to
Kube
sit on
nale
your earbud.
fluid le. Ingakho uma usebenzisa khula ama-earbud ugcina kungathi uney'londa noma into engathi
Yes.
zinduna. Ngokusimo sokuthi ayisekho i-cerumen iyigonogono amafutha lawa
Agijimisa indlebe.
enzani lawo mafutha lawo even nalezi zinto lezi ziba khona atrapha i-dust nayona yonke into bese kuqhubeka kuya lapha esweni lapha endlebeni kuyo-equalizer i-sound ngoba ngizwa
From that hole, that small
So
hole there.
indoda ima ngendlebe.
angizwa
Indoda ima ngendlebe.
no not indoda wonke umuntu angithi bengakayichaza niyangiphazamisa ukuthi why ngithi ibalance yomuntu so no wonke umuntu it not specifically related to a man wonke umuntu ibalance yakhe yonke isekhanda angithi kunezinto esikwazi ukuzenza ngaphandle kokucabanga uhlatshwa yiva yakhe you pull out immediately
Yeah.
That
Without
refle-
thinking about the pain.
Sense alawo masenza nemoto inawo leyo nto ayisuka.
so
Mina futhi ngithi ukhuluma ngalamadlebe la uPinky bekakhuluma ngawo.
which what am I
Uzichazele ukuthi bekakhuluma ngani because you confused.
Manjorias from vagina what madlebe you talking about
Pussy lips. Amaleba.
maleba
Labia minora.
Thola bona usosana
Libya, something,
Manora.
something.
Libya,
Yes.
oh so
When you are young, you're supposed to pull them if you want them to hang.
Why would you want them to learn?
But it's just a bad thing of, it's like a stigma yokuthi if you have amalebe umnandi. So they teach kids to pull them. Apparently there's a tribe that specifically does that. When you are 14, 13, they teach you that you have to pull them. I was at that time. Abakutshela ukuthi it's for men or whatever.
On that one, at some point, I think it like goes with the human nature, because
Yeah, no, which bodies are different.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
she don't
and you know what? It becomes problematic because in a private part,
Yeah.
I think mostly of a woman,
Yeah.
everything there must remain wet.
And natural.
Absolutely.
Because amalebe even, they don't grip. They're not the ones that are holding. It's the vulva that's inside that grips it.
Corona what?
Because if you breathe in and you do what do they call it when you put the balls? What they call it? I forgot it. When you put that, you learn to exercise the muscles of your pussy to go.
Like,
Amalebe have got nothing to do with it. Kegel! Thank you! Those ladies! Kegels.
Kodwa
If you
it's
do
very
Kegels.
important ukuthi masikhuluma kule podcast yethu sibuyele emuva relebelele gore why batho ba khale be ba re basadi ba wa phule. There's a research that I've done. I just forgot the African country.
I love it. If it's your research, I know what it's precise.
Yeah.
It's
So,
legit.
yeah. But it was an African country where young girls were taught to pull them.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
But the explanation they gave was ukuthi mawuzala izokwazi ukucover ingane. Old people said that. However, masesikhula si understand that the reason behind it ukuthi intombazana or umuntu wesifazane onawo uba ujabulisa
Amadoda.
not amadoda indoda yakhe
Indoda yakhe.
e le gore e tlabe e monyechi because ka setso mosadi sontso a te tshware e be le virgin until go e ba le motho a tlo
That's the thing. I was always against it. Why are you even teaching kids to pull things that they're not supposed to be pulling?
No. We cannot really say they're not supposed to be pulling.
Yeah.
Because mele sibuyele ukuthi angithi sifundisa abantu isintu sethu.
Yeah.
And then now, sesi explainer izinto because of Western education. So that's why most of the time we are against everything. Akumelanga uyenze kanje, akumelanga. Who told you that?
But now pulling it, how does it benefit you?
Exactly my point. Uyabona wena sispink ngeke we understand. Ifuna abantu besilisa ibe yibona bazokhomenta basitshela ukuthi kunomehluko between umuntu onawo or umuntu ongenawo. Singasheshi ukuthi there is no yabona manje sengizojudge. Mawuzothanda nasidingo.
No. It's normal. I'm not saying no. It's normally. Ngike ngizwe bebabazi igenge le yangakini ukuthi imnandi.
No, but the thing is, you know what?
Eastern Cape.
They look to step. Ukuthi mina I did it. That's why I'm saying I did it.
Now.
Cha, ngicela singayilapho ngithi.
Unawo yini?
What you did? All right.
That's why I did the pulling.
Oh,
Okay.
wow.
Yeah, when I
you
was
were
young. Because being said of the environment I was in.
Oh, yeah.
And at that time, I didn't understand because it never related to men and whatever. So that's why I'm saying, Guti, when you grow up, is it really about, obviously I've heard, but I mean, as a mature person, if I was young, I wasn't going to do that. I don't think it's necessary for me to do it.
Yes, because ufila ukuthi akanasidingo.
Yeah.
Where you sitting
Yeah.
Basa.
No, bayayithanda bagijima babhude phakathi kwawo benze beyenza bakwenzayo. But what I'm saying
Bayabuya
is,
yini?
if I was kakhulu.
At some point,
Uyasebenza.
But what's the point?
At some
What's
point,
the point?
The point ukuthi bajabule. Remember ipoint yami lana ukuthi ka setso sa borena
Yeah.
as ma Afrika borwa. Mosadi a sa swanelwa go
But what about
awumelanga ulale nendoda before ushada.
Exact. Thank you.
Angisho.
Thank you.
Ukushada or ukushada, yeah.
Sayilahla
Before
lapho.
that, angisho.
Sayilahla lapho.
So bebayenzela ukuthi ukwazi ukujabulisa umnyeni wakho.
Uhusband.
Ukhona ukuthabisha
Unfortunately-
muthi wakho. Unfortunately,
That shit didn't happen.
All right.
and unfortunately,
From a holla.
Let me assist la. Let me assist la. Ngaphambi kokuba siphele sesivala. Mahle abantu besilisa abaningi bahlezi bekhombisa ukwathokozela.
wena phela kune allegation kumele
No,
wena.
angithi lana we are talking with, like, we are engaging with the society. Like, I'm not talking on behalf of me as alone.
Okay.
So mangithi abantu besilisa fit in me there.
Yes.
All right. Banokuyithokozela banokuba sengathi bayithokozela into kanjalo too.
Yes.
Umuntu onayo sometimes ukenokukhala ethi imenza ukuthi abe nama desires more sexual.
You always horny.
Like,
Thank you.
activator.
Thank you.
So uma ngabe umuntu wesilisa kuthola ukuthi you are not performing well,
You are
loya
always
muntu
horny.
uzohlezi
Like, it's
umshiya. And
bad.
there is that tendency and a belief yokuthi abantu abanalento le abasheshi ukufika kwi-climax.
How am I getting
because-
back?
So there is that belief ukuthi you must be very active as a man to make her reach out at that climax. And lento uhlezi ekudinga. So yinto le esuke ikhona ngabantu besilisa abanokuyibona. And like KZN bancane abantu obayamaniswa nento kanjalo ukuthi banayo. Bese kuba ijwayele ukuvunywa ngalo kube Sotho nako Eastern Cape nanani. Right, last one le yokuma komuntu ngendlebe ngoba akumele sibe nento esishiya unattached. Yes. So umuntu akusiyona indlebe le, this is a pina.
Okay.
But ipina, it collects i-frequency ama-sounds wave before uzwe. You are directed through yini lento le limbobo le bathi auditory canal scientifically. Kunento emhlophe lapha ngaphakathi esesweni abayibiza nge-tympanic membrane, ngiyalikhohlwa elinye igama layo. Leya nto inamanzi iyiso. Ingakho uma ungaxhofoza leya nto leyana ngekama noma ngani osuke uthi unwaya ngayo indlebe, i-affecta iso lakho even la. Yeah, you have something? Yeah. So laphana leyanto iya vibrate kuya equalize laphana kuno organ of Cotley, kuno eustachian tube, kunayona yonke into ongayicabanga ukusimplify sound what ne coordination yonke nomzimba nani.
And it affects sound because every time you hear something, even with music, it's so effective how some sound ear directly to your cord or some other ear to your brain. It depends.
Yeah, so nakhona maye emqondweni angithi uyazi ukuthi umqondo uhlukene nama-partitions ngandlela thizeni. Kunomqondo la ebuchosheni kunezinto nje kade ngiphuma ukuhlatshwa yiva. Into ongakwazi ukuyicabanga leyo ukuthi kufuna ngidonse unyawo noma mangisho ingane maye ngabishiswa imlilo. So that is an involuntary action, it's a reflex act. So lana kulento lana
Ngisazi umuntu uyabulawa nje mayebhethile.
so lana kulento uma ngabe isuke yenzakala umuntu ema, it called I don't know if I remember yet, but it's a vestibular system. Irresponsible for direction yekhanda kuze kube namathambo laphana ngaphakathi abizwa ngama-ossicles, khona elinye kuthiwa ihema elisando o-stapled what. Uma ngabe ikhanda lishintsha i-direction noma lishintsha kabi, iyona izinto ezisheshe zibe stimulated lezo umuntu. Angithi umuntu nje
Majikantamo lo thina sikhule sathi majikantamo.
angithi umuntu nje unamehlo amathathu, kunehlo elilanga kuma-pineal gland
Yeah.
lakwa spiritual elibizwa ngo-Ra.
Can I discuss a little on pineal gland? I need a lesson on that. I need a proper lesson on that.
Wona ke manje inkinga mina ngilambile mina. Ngizomtshela yona ngilambile. Yabona nje lento yabona ingane kwane kuthiwa kunamehlo amathathu. Mina mangafuseke somuntu kungashawa umuntu mina ngiyabhoreka.
Yeah.
yazi ukuthi ke next time
Yabona ukuthi
sesiphetha-
lesithathu.
next time sesiphetha we need to discuss
Elesithathu impela inkomo.
no khuleka ngalokho next time sesidiscuss
Final gland. We need that. We need that discussion.
we need even to engage ukuthi inwele umsebenzi wazo act as ama antennae yes inwele they act as ama antenna ingakho uma umuntu uthuka ebusuku ethi ngizokushwaqa ikhanda
Yeah.
ngoba i-aerial ekwazi ukudonsa yonke leyo nto leyo eduzane ilentozana inwele so usheshuzwe ngazo kuqala ingakho enkolweni kunenkolo manazathi abagunda there are numerous reasons sikuye kweBhayibheli but even scientifically
Culturally, yes.
yes
Uyashaya ke lapho.
Yeah, lapho.
Uyashaya ngoba ngisho
Ipower.
ibhubesi elizekana ngomsila. Lifike licuthe lithi bese liphakamisa umsila lithi.
absolutely
Bese kube sengathi inyamazana ibonakala nje ubhaqa ngathi kuwa nje uthi yabo.
Yes.
Yabona. Kanti ihogela ngalo and luyakwazi ukuthemthe ukuthi lolu uthola uhle kangaka njengomuntu mayicuphile efaka inhlava inhlava kube sathi iyayihambela kanti lo qhaya ngaphansi izecala kokuzala impela yabona
ingakho even
yabona lento kuthiwa mina ngangiqala ukuyibona phesheya ngo-2001 ngiqala ukuhamba iphesheya siphoqwa yibo bonke abelungu ukuthi please ngicela nicule iculo lesizwe leni can you sing your national anthem
Yeah.
ngisho befuna sicuse ngisestradini ngoba bathi bona leli culo lesizwe malicula bavele bekhala bebe nama good bumps yabona lento leni ukuthi
kuvuleke
bathi
imithambo
vukutwayo
Yeah.
aba nohlevani so into leyo very important ngoba ngalesikhathi kuvuka ama good bumps kubo imvelo kwalo same time kuba nani na nenyembezi same time tears connection shothi network edonsa isuka endlebeni kuyala bese kuyakhala
yazi fana nengane encane infant ikwazi ukuzuma wayo ngenkaba ukuthi uma wayo ngoba siyathula ngoba isingakakwazi ukudistinguisha ukuhlukanisa so lapho yabona ukuthi manje we are going deep we are talking more of a spiritual context
Yeah.
so but this
no kodwa unalo ulwazi noma uyiphuphu yabona and ibalekile nje futhi ngiyathanda mina mawufundisana emabhinqeni ami ngoba awazwala utho lapha mayichathile nje yahamba
Inkani mayigqoka iBrentwood nje ziyasha. Qedile.
amabheki
kanti yazi thini njalo ithi ngibona njani mina mangafeka kahle mina emhlangeni mina yabona vele nebela likho
Yeah, well, mhlangeni. Oh, I'm still a virgin.
no phela ihymen ayisekho nje
Try. Put your
yini
finger.
mina yazi ukuthi
Put your finger. Put your finger. Sizwe ukuthi khona na.
manje ushini indoda ayisezwa lutho
Hymen.
ihymen kusami yawazi umhlwehle kwaZulu
Ngicela ufake sizwe ukuthi khona na.
yabona umntwana kaleje ibhasari uthi uyofunda iphinde uzosifundekela ngeminyanya ukubhubha lo muntu
wenzani macala mina
hayi ufuna umuntu ayifundekeleni awukakwazi ukuthi usifundekela kwazi ukuthi siyifunde lokufundekela yifundele wena muze ufundekela
ngiyanikhazela lapho the last time ngicela ukufunda vet like I did like I was on aeronautical saxabana no Zeppelin Vilakazi so akwaku aeronautical engineering le airways what
Hey, washa engineering yawo dlala nengane?
umgwaqo manje
Awudlala nengane. Washa engineering.
mana wayibuka le ngaqala ukuyikhoza kakhulu phesheya angiyazi ukuthi la South Africa noma ikhona le country yenu le week so manje ngayibuka le thiwa History Channel khona i-episode engayithanda kakhulu I think by now situations in simo samanje ngayidownloada leyo nto le ngiyiphinde ngiyibuka again yabona ososayensi abahlaphe njengabe abahlushwe ingqondo babethi
I didn't expect.
kwakune episode yayithi kwi-channel ethi life without people kodwa basebefocusa kakhulu eLas Vegas yabo sebesho ukuthi ke 1 day without people 2 days without people 10 days 1000 days without people yabona kwaze kufika kumnyaka yabona ilanga athola khona ukufunda ukuthi kulama bridge athi bayekhandwa i-lifespan yawo ibiko 1000 years njengoba kukhuluma nge-engineering to is for 1000 years for 200 years yabo khona ingakho ubona ama bridge kungadlalelwa kuthiwa ayavuselelwa nje ngoba ane lifespan enough for a next years and years generation yabona so le nto le yangifundisa into eziningi noma khona ngabona ugesi usungasekho sekugijima amagundane sezenzela nje amabhenki ngathi mina
yazi ukuthi ngizokutshela isimanga ibhanoyi indiza istarter sakhona sakhiwa sisuka from a bed. Yeah.
hayi lokho kusimbula hayi siyakwazi ke lokho no surprise inyoni Jagwa ixoxo ineshwaphi Jagwa ixoxo
Khuluma kanje. Yazi ukuthi khona into esibalekelile besikhuluma ngane sasa besikhuluma into zo high man what lo Thuze
uyayithanda into sasibekaba
asikwazi
kodwa futhi akezile uthola umuntu
kulungile ngenze lutho kodwa sikwazi ukuluza ukuthi besikuphi silahlekelwe ngoba kunomuntu kade safuna ukwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani la
Hyman.
so
I believe it
wena awusenaye high man.
Can I just tell you something?
ingawo lento uthi unali imele elinganga
High man wazalwe naye.
I believe Hyman yabuye. Yabuye.
Yini Hyman?
When you're a virgin
Okay.
and you have sex,
Yeah.
something breaks. I believe if you don't have sex for 6 years, that shit goes and it happens
No,
again.
listen. Did you know ukuthi kuma muscles omuntu wesifazane the strongest muscles are found at the vagina?
Yes.
Yes. Ayikho ama
elastikile yana le strong ngagashuka
awekho ama muscles are strong ukuthi sana njengalaba.
hayi lokho cha abama khuluma ngesex ya ulanda abantu amhoso
And when you broke your virginity and 6 years later you have sex, if you haven't had sex in 6 years and you have sex again, it's going to be, and you bleed, it's the same procedure. I mean, I believe it comes back.
Wakubona yini lokho?
Yebo ngeke kwenzeka kuningi.
Mana pick.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yabona in your nature as woman.
Yeah.
Uma ngabe kade ungalenzi ucansi for a while.
Yeah.
Ama muscles wakho in your vagina they relax.
Yeah.
So
Njengoko esalukazi
For 6 years, ne?
no, not for 6 years,
How
but
many?
for a while,
For a while.
for some days,
yeah.
they relax.
Okay,
But
yeah. Okay.
umuntu uma ngathiwa namhlanje kade u-engage kulentozana active sexual namhlanje.
Without dick.
mana no engage amadoda mana mina ngazi ukuthi mina lento ukuthi ngithi phingi ngizokushada mhlabe
Cha, like
engaging.
sexual intercourse, what? So
Okay.
engaging sexual.
Yeah.
So kusasa mawuhlangana nomunye umuntu uzokufica athi utight and you are very hot
Yeah.
because ama muscles wakho were
I believe
active.
that too. That's why
Wafaka-
you can sleep with 3 guys in one day and they all still feel you tight. Did you know that?
Pardon?
You can sleep with 3 guys in one day and they all can still feel you tight.
Absolutely, that is very true.
Thank you.
lapho ke mina ngasebenza ngo-lifeline mana ngasebenza ngo-lifeline kunabantu abadayisa imizimba sasifaka ikhindi lapha si-pretend as ama-pimps and then ngoba ngangirecruit abantu ngangimangala mina ngoba ngisebenza ngo-lifeline as a psychological counselor
Yeah.
uthola ukuthi kunabantu besifazane mhlawumbe sithathe ama-sex workers awu-10 sonke into yokuqala iprogram esowaqala beso-interview esikhulume nabo sophathela ama-condom bese uthi uya-engage nomuntu uyaxoxa naye ma uxoxa naye lo muntu uthola ukuthi omunye ushadile
Yeah.
and wazi ukuthi usebenza ebheka angithi izinkwa ebhaka ebusuku
Yes. Oh, yeah.
wazi ukuthi usebenza ebheka uthi unomnyeni uthi yabona ngishadile
Yeah.
mina nje wazi ukuthi mina ngisemsebenzini ngibhaka isinkwa
Yeah.
imali ayitholakale nayo wazi ukuthi uyithola emsebenzini bese kuzothi mangabe ubathatha ukuthi uyobahlole i-HIV yabona uthola ukuthi automatically engqondweni yakho uma uhambe na 10 noma na 20 uthi uyawuhlola uvele obvious bane HIV uthola ukuthi only 2 that are HIV positive 8 wonke is HIV negative ngoba wofikayo ufika conscious esaba ujaye ukuthi abayechamile nje washiya kanjalo nabo bafaka nama condom khona abantu abadayisa umzimba mfethu kathuka mfica ngisho ama-virgin angakazalana namuntu uthi mina kanjani uthi no I'm still a virgin my sister ongibizela ukuthi nayo indlela yokuphila ngoba sinayo indlela yokuphila dadewethu kodwa wathi wena-ke ngoba wena-ke ukalala uzosebenzisa isandla nomlomo yabo sekumpetha we-stock sweet so leyo nto leyo
Njengogogo.
into enza ukuthi uyibuka ukuthi impilo indlela edizaneke ngakhona injani bese ke ubuyela kule nto oyithintayo automatically vele into nje ethinta i-sexual intercourse umuntu esifazane ungibatha nendoda mhlawumbe ngenyanga udinga 1 week yangini ngithini it's not more than 1 week ngenyanga
Like in that 1 week, in a day, mhlambe how many minutes or hours?
lento yabona besifazane abakhalukela amadoda usuku nosuku ababatshwayo engathi abase Eastern Cape angiyasi mina so
Ahlezi shushu.
Umacingwana la khona into enye eshodile ehamba lanto leyo. Kule hymen yokutshintsha umuntu esifazane ayifani kule ndwangu le. Omunye iyakwazi ukushifta iye eceleni.
Nazo. I think eyami le.
Uyakwazi
slide
ukuthi
shows.
uma umfica noma ehlolwa abonakale isakhona. Bake beyibize ngeso ke kwazi ukuthiwa yidla. Omunye it like a sheet like ukuthi phela ingakuthiwa mawuqala ukulala you bleed.
But it's a
There
drop.
is a breakage yalento le lapha na kuma kulento.
Can I just add, Guti? I think male species have this thing of Maulala, when you break someone's virginity, we are bleed cha, use bleedilege.
No,
Listen,
bafana abantu.
there's a hymen, you know the thing, ne? It's like a square, it's like this. This design here on the table. The blood becomes like that, and it's just a drop. It's not a bleeding. That's when you break your virginity. That's why I'm saying, Guti, if you have sex after 3 years or 6 years, it will still happen the same way.
But okugcina ngilekeleleke la. Sedlulile kule ukuthi abafani abanye yakwazi ukumove around so what.
Amanye ama-slide show.
Okwesibili umuntu wesilisa kunokuthiwa namhlanje abantu banamhlanje khalwa ngama-2K kuthiwa they are more of like bathiwani abekho mnandi abasafani nabantu bama-90s
Tina, thank you.
kuyakhalwa ngawo ukuthi
baqhaza amanzi
baqhaza amanzi
Yes.
yini na kunalento ebizwa dopamine depo
Yeah.
prevention method le
Yeah.
ejovwayo
Dopamine, yeah.
yeah udopamine into yenzayo uyakuvala imbantu abaningi uyakuvala for 3 months ungayi endaweni yakho
Yeah.
unga undergo menstruation
Yeah.
so mawukuvala kanjalo uactivate ama hormones omuntu wesifazana okhulelwe angifuni ukujula kule nto le umuntu okhulelwe kakhulu lebizwa kuthiwa uprogesterone
Yeah.
low maintain pregnancy cycle
Yeah.
so
lutho
umuntu wesilisa uma efika through penetration
Yeah.
deposita ama sperm cells
Hey, Maggie, hold
Yes.
on. Carry on. Phela fanele imagine.
manake kulo carry on siyafana manje silambile nganza kwethu
Yeah,
kodwa singene
sibesifana.
into ebalekile la enye into uyabona kulolu daba lwehema lokuthiwa into udonga loluzimbayo ukhombisa lokho uyazi ukuthi umuntu osifazane ekakhulukazi mhlambe amanazaretha nabantu bakwaZulu ababambelela kakhulu esitweni yokuthi you keep yourself as virginity until you get married. Yabona. Obviously umuntu esifazane uyalusa. Ubanjwa ngishona ngengalo engaqhuki engenjani ngoba umlobokazi once walokothwa wabhudwa insoyi ekhanda. Yabona insoyi into bakuthiwa abesibhuda, abantu besibhuda abantu besifazane. ingoba kuthiwa besibhuda ngoba babebhuda inso ekhanda belokothwa ngani na ngengozi ukuthi njoba esebomvu ekhanda nje useyingozi sekumka umuntu ma ememeze khona la ufuna ukuya khona uyaphelezelwa ingakho kwaqhamuka leli gama lithi impelesi. Impelesi umphelezeli womuntu wesifazane osolokothwe oyilingagana yabona empheleka ma empheleka umqala vele sesekhaya hayi ukuthi thiwe nansi impelesi yakho yothrowa like planting a seed on the ocean ngoba seganile into eyenzakalayo yonke maye ngabe ke ephelekiwe weluswa wona amehlo kwaze wafika la gana khona ephelele intombi ngeke kufike ke onomehlo bayebelinde bengahambi namabhasi lawa ahambayo kade eqeda ukugana ethelwa ngenyongo bese bezithebe kunezithebe abayiphathayo hayi nezokudla iqabetho abayiphakayo yabona bese lezi iqabetho lezi namashidi amhlophe becuphe nawo yabona ngalesikhathi amaqhikiza onomehlo abandlala elawini la kuzongena khona umfana ukuphi na usendlini yangenhla amakhehla amkakile ayameluleka umfana wami kanje ufundiswa isex lapho ufundiswa ukuphatha umuntu sifazane ngoba manje ufana nesosha ibhano eliduma uyongena kwi-flight yani na uya kwi-battlefield so manje as you are in the edge of the battlefield as a soldier now you are being taught the last cabango ukuhlakanipha namaqhinga into eyenzakalayo ke mangabe ukuze behambe nobufakazi laba ngithi laba oluba nomehlo kanye namaqhikiza begade intombi ngalesikhathi umfana eyibambe intombi ekameleni yabona laba bamhlebelele ukuthi itshitshi maye esaphelele uzobona ngo1 no2 no3 kusho abantu abadala yabona emveni kolokho ngalesikhathi ayibambe intombi yabona kuba bomva amashidi yayizwa lonto ngeke bomva amashidi into eyenzakalayo eyintatha ngo4-5 ngosikhathi ngesikhathi sokuhlukana ngodom lesoka kugijima amaqhikiza nonomehlo bekwendlulela umashidi bawafice ebomvu bawathatha lawo mashidi bawafaka la bawabeka phe kwesibaya enhla kwesibaya beyofakaza ukuthi noma bawafaka esibayini ngqo beyofakaza ukuthi inkomo umfana lobula ngazo lentombi uyifice sephelele ingane ibuye nazo zinazi la ekhaya mase kuthiwa ke ekseni usuhlala umdlala endlini yakomkhulu sekuhlala esekuleshwa sekukhulunywa indlu bese kuthiwa hawu manini ke kwabe kanjani angithi into isex kwaZulu ayimenyezwa lento siyenza lapha lo doti nje siwenza la ku podcast le ngahlele lento ihlaza amanyala yonke lento esikhuluma la besikhuluma ngomabhebhani yonke lento le yabo futhi umuntu akabhebhi imbuzi ebhebhayo umuntu uyalala umuntu uyembatha inje yaphinga
make love yes
inkomo yakhwela
lekha kamithi uyakhulela
yes
and umuntu makes love
yonke lento esikhuluma lapha mana silibeni ke bengasizwe emakhaya hey manje lalela ke isex iyahletshwa kasuthi hey kwabe kanjani lapha na usipecele ngwana kwabe kanjani khohlwa uthaba lisayithebeni
shuthi macingwana kuyisibusiso ukuthi mawugana uthola intombi
iseyithebeni yabona legama ithi indaba iseyithebeni indaba isemfihlakalweni kusho ukuthi siwinile kodwa into engeke simemezele amadlozi aseyibonile nakho lapha sikufihliwe kuthiwe cha
ngale nkulumo yakho macingwana oyishoyo shuthi uya encourage futhi uyagqugquzela ukuthi insizwa zithole abasuke bengakamekeza.
But you must both be virgins. You can't put us under pressure.
Cha, ubani umuntu ozalwe isalukazi, ubani umuntu ozalwe umfazi, wonke umuntu ozalwe yifashini. Kuya ngokuthi wena wabe kanjani.
So
nokuthi nna ke nagana gore in as much as re encourage batho ba basadi gore ba itshware until ba tlo humana monna e le gore sounds so bougie, ba itshware until ba humana monna e le gore o tlo ba nyala. Ke nagana gore thuto e sontse e ye le ko bathong ba banna gore
Ba
le
itshware
wena
ngahulu ba itshware.
because ulala nobani wena if I was bad. So mele e be both sides.
It's spiritual as well. It's spiritual as well. Because whatever demons you're coming with, zitware.
singavala izinto
Uthi indoda la ibe clean.
Yeah.
Maningi ikhona imicakathi no. Lapho khohlwaneke nje. Nawe nje umuntu osifazana uyifuna indoda lokho yazalwa ayikazi ithinte umuntu izoqala ngayo izofundela kuwe. Akekho umuntu ayileyo nto cha msamdaka niyadakwa.
Kodwa matungwane ne besides
Utwara lo enoshow uyabheda ngoba into eyenzakala la kunemithi esetshenziswayo imicakathi yokuthi uma uyindoda uke waphuma ngoba indoda awukho umbese ukwazi inkomo ungazange udlule kumlalazi. Umlalazi ke yitshela kulolo wakhona umbese. Indoda makwenzekile yaphunyuka mayihlonipha umuzi wayo. Yaphunyuka yayo mbatha negebe ngeceleni yabona nayo ipractice nje kulelo ground mayisi buyele ekhaya ne abantu bokupractice into
We
master
We teach. We don't practice. We teach.
ngokuncela imthondo.
okay ngicela ukuyibeka kanje ka setso sa borena ge e le gore monna shetanyetse mosadi wa mathomo is tenjini, right? And then let's say ushadu pinky girl, hypothetically speaking, ushadu pinky girl mina ngiyi version bese uzaki mina ulala nami, it's okay, isintu leso. Kodwa if wena utlo tsamaya wa yo breaka bo virgin ba pinky girl wa motlogela o pinky girl a shatha thobana ya izwa leyo nto, so asiyisintu leso, so le wena wa bone phosho mo
No qinisele lapho.
Even
In other countries yabona nje manga googlisha umthetho wase namhlanje ngifundile manje. Uma googlisha umthetho wase DRC eDR eCongo. Umuntu ongeyona virgin akashadi lapho. Yakutshena akashadi walalo lo muntu kwatholakala iproof ukuthi ulale naye uyagwetshwa ejele udileka jele noma uyamshada lo muntu.
Macingwana nakhula ngoba sayacabanga sesishawa isikhathi kade sikukhuluma
Asisekho futhi
sikhuluma
ngeSlam.
ngama prevention method lawa enza abantu besifazana bekuthiwa bamanzi nani ama hormones lawa asuke khona pregnancy nani engaku-advise mina engihlezi ngubona abantu kungcono ukuthi u-abstain.
Amen.
Yabona lo mfana kade ngiyishilo le nto.
Sengiyangiwarisha lena.
Kade ngiyishilo.
Ngoba ayikho medication
It's spiritual.
engenayo
We now
negative
go on the
impact
spiritual
yayo.
level.
I-implant abanye ngikhuluma ocishe ngasho isibhedlela la ngoba kunabangani baba lapha kade sefuna ukukhipha i-implant okuthiwa ayibonakali but bayayifila sehlinzwa ingane yazi kancane. Ungabona umuntu eneyingalo engathi ezomama bapheka ukhari be-catering kanti no idepo iyakhuluphalisana the moment ungaya endaweni yakho umzimba ungakwazi ukuphefumula. Ungabona umuntu esemkhulu emncane emkhulu engashayipekile omuntu uthi umkhulu ngento like ilento le khulumalisiso kwenzakala imijovo le these prevention methods.
Fanele benefika.
Engenayo imali yase lokuyana netake. Ngizo beguglisha ithi.
Mono club singaqali mono doctors ade bekhishwa manje ukuthi hey.
So it becomes problematic and
Ukhona umngane wakho lokhu clean governance ohamba wayolayishwa amafutha awu 20 liter lapha. Umzimba uthe mayebuya wathi umzimba hey ngiyafuna amabheka amafutha ami asegcwele ngisho entanyeni ke.
hayi mafethu no wena ziliphosa ngishilo wathi so
Wait, can I just ask something before Vala?
Yes.
Can we discuss this on the next episode? The burgers, food.
the beggars food.
In America, they're eating humans. How does that affect us?
They're eating what?
Humans.
Humans.
The patties are humans.
Oh.
Yeah. Abasabangcwaba abantu bayabadla. But people don't know that. The citizens don't know that, obviously. Ngabe phela ngawo. But they're eating humans. We need to discuss that. Ukuthi, if McDonald's share is eating, because in America, I've got friends in America and stuff.
Oh, lento yebuzwa lo dokotela wakhona wathi ngosuku
I think that one.
America has to
very
produce
deep. It's
more
very
than
deep.
8 million beef burgers. Wathi lama burger qhamuka
Exactly. We
wathi lezi inko wathi lo 8 million burgers kufanele ukuqala kwenkomeni eziwu20
Azikho lezi nkomo.
for noma eziwu15 million.
Yeah.
Wathi izifuye phela ufuna ukubona iplaza la kufuye khona lezi inkomo eziwu15 million ngosuku.
And amathuna uyabona thina ukuthi la eSouth Africa makushona amathuna aya like they grow them.
yeah.
In America they don't. Where are the dead bodies going?
Oh, umhlaba awandi abantu bayanda.
Bayanda abantu bayashona every day.
Mana benza njani bayamshaya qala bemgeza nje umuntu
I think
eqhamuke seyibheke.
ukudla bese bayibheka bayiphethe ubona iphethe mawuyivula ukuthi iba ama crumbs it's not.
Uyazi ukuthi lento yakenzeka la ekuthiwa mazimzimo. Yazi ukuthi kulelizwe mawubuka nje ezinto sayinqaba nje lento yokudla abantu kodwa olimini lwethu ikhona mangabofubuka nje abafundi ema university hey ngimdlile ubani ngidlile intombi kabani yabona
asishise mnandi kanjena ikhona the next episode sizoyidiscussa kahle bekumnandi kahle
njengoba abantu sebezoma amarobot laba vela bakhona aba remaining bazoshona ebhodweni bangu manini ininike i-food festival la kutestwa khona kuthiwe ke is human stew ilokujana itsha ngidle na mani lesikhote namanje umuntu uyadliwa esikhote la kwaZulu-Natal kunamazimzimu la esikhote njengoba kuqhamuka lo muntu waseBergville nje lo onyanyisayo lo baba lothi abantu mabekushaya bagoqa ngengoma bese phosa emoyeni bese bekhohlwa wena kuma nje lo baba uthe uyajima uthi kanani musimelana nombani uthe uyajima ujimele uyo complain emfuleni ukuthi yini wena uthukela uqala kithi uyophakela uthuke iSouth Africa sekhona.
That's demons though. I feel like that's demons. You can't be eating people.
No, it's an attitude of protecting the human beings.
Yo, but guys, no.
It is an attitude of protecting the human beings.
Octavia?
Manje uhamba kuyinkuzi malaka lapha abadoda umfoka miyeza lapha inkunzi isithulu salamhlanje umfoka miyeza. Mnandi hlobo. Amanyala.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you. Siyabonga Mpompo. We enjoyed having you here. Siyabonga kakhulu. Next week we on, baby. Sharp. Siyasquirta. Mina ngisafuna usquirta.
Usafuna usquirta? Ayibo. Kahle bafethu. Thanks. Asibonana ku-episode elandelayo. Ngicabanga ukuthi izobe inama-features amnandi kakhulu ama-topics sobe siwa-athinta laphana. Angazi uPink akawaqedanga amanye but kuzoba mnandi ngiyathembisa ngaphezulu kwalele sibona namhlanje abantu bengakhohlwa ukusubscribe sibheke ku3 million kahle ngibone seku1.72 kathi siqala 1.7 yeah njengamanje 3 million sesitebo ngiyajabula ukubona kabe uthoso kuphi
Limpopo.
Yeah based
I'm based somewhere
else. All right, thank you.